2004 Nissan Maxima, subframe, no lift, 6-ton jack stands, one man, me. That's the reason we're here today. I can't sell a car like that. Our other subframe right there. Just gotta press some new bushings in there. Hit it with a wire wheel and get it on these stands. Get it back up there. We got the engine support bar from Harbor Freight holding the transmission up. We got a top motor mount on this side, so I didn't really need to hold nothing on this side. Bungee cords are holding the rack and pinion up because I decided to leave it up there instead of taking it down and losing power steering fluid and whatnot. Okay, son. Love you too, son. Got the chain hoisted right there inside that boat. Back up there. 04 Nissan Maxima 3.5 subframe replacement.